How to reverse liver disease. How can we reverse liver damage? Liver damage occurs in 4 stages. At first, excess fat builds up in the liver cells, leading to inflammation and the development of scar tissue called fibrosis. If not stopped at this stage, it can lead to permanent scarring of the liver, also known as cirrhosis, which is the most dangerous stage and results in liver failure. Fortunately, the liver has the ability to completely heal and regenerate itself with proper diet and other remedies. So, let's delve into the most important steps you can take to heal your liver. First, start drinking organic coffee in the morning. Instead of adding sugar, add half a teaspoon of turmeric. Phytonutrients in turmeric and polyphenols in coffee help reduce scar tissue formation and repair damage caused by drugs, alcohol, and fructose. Drinking at least 1 liter of water daily can help thin out the blood and aid the liver in producing bile to break down fatty deposits. It is recommended that you incorporate as many liver-cleansing herbs and spices into your diet as possible, such as ginger, turmeric, cinnamon, dandelion root, milk thistle, reishi mushrooms, green tea, and cloves. Second, to improve liver health, it is very important to eliminate inflammatory seed oils from your diet, including corn, cottonseed, canola, rapeseed, soy oil, margarine, and low-quality processed olive oil. These oils can contribute to liver inflammation and damage. You can replace them with anti-inflammatory fats like butter, tallow, extra virgin olive oil, and coconut oil in your home-cooked meals. These healthier alternatives not only enhance the flavor of your dishes, but also provide liver protective properties. Third, incorporate sulfur-rich foods into your diet, like leafy greens, arugula, radishes, garlic, broccoli, Brussels sprouts, kale, cabbage, mushrooms, pasteurized eggs, oily fish, walnuts, onions, scallions, and broccoli sprouts. These foods elevate glutathione levels, aiding in liver detoxification and fat removal. Their sulfur content supports the breakdown of toxins, promoting overall liver health and function. Regular consumption of these nutrient-dense options helps combat fatty liver disease and enhances the body's natural detoxification processes. Fourth, stop eating processed and sugary foods. In order to reverse liver damage, you must cut back on sugary, starchy, and flour-based foods such as bread, biscuits, sweets, ketchup, pancakes, pasta, soda drinks, etc. A fatty or damaged liver is sensitive to fructose, fruit sugar, in the same way it's sensitive to alcohol. So it's important to stop drinking fruit juices and alcohol entirely. That's how we can start the journey of curing the liver. Fifth, to lower inflammation and cleanse fatty deposits inside the liver. You can take purified bile supplements such as tea, UD, ceatorsodiocycolic acid, purified bile salts, or digestive enzymes containing ox bile. These supplements are particularly effective when taken in the morning on an empty stomach and can eliminate fat from the liver and prevent the formation of gallbladder stones. Consulting with a healthcare professional can help determine the most appropriate supplements for individual liver health needs. Sixth, intermittent fasting is a great way to give your liver a break and keep it healthy. It helps reduce liver fat, improve insulin sensitivity, and lower inflammation. Plus, it triggers a cleansing process that gets rid of bad stuff in your liver. If you have any symptoms, you might want to visit your doctor and get your liver examined via an ultrasound test to see if you have a damaged liver. Thanks for watching.